You know, I was thinking, I don't know what I'm gonna cook today. I don't know what I'm gonna cook with my boys. I don't know. Hold that thought. Be right back.
Audio Jungle.
Alright, I'm back. So I thought about it. We already got shrimp in the refrigerator. We got oodles and noodles in the cabinet. So, why not put those two together and make a meal? We're gonna make shrimp, oodles and noodles, and we're gonna combine them together and make a gourmet meal. I think that's a good combination. Oh yeah, welcome to the RANKINS World Channel. Boy, what you in here whipping up something? What you got over there? Got some boiling water, got some shrimps over there. What we eating tonight?
Shrimp and ramen noodles.
Ramen noodles? Boy, what y'all know about them noodles? What you over here doing? What we eating?
Shrimp and ramen noodles.
That's what we eating?
Yeah.
Shoot, that might be pretty good. So we cooking with the RANKINS tonight?
Yep.
This meal didn't even cost about a couple dollars, $5. That look done. That's done right there. Got the water boiling. Go over there and get the oodles and noodles. Get them packs, baby. This the only flavor we eat over here. Only flavor, beef. Beef. Go ahead and bust them packs open. Bust it open. And you're gonna put the sauce to the side. Y'all listen, this is the best way to eat oodles and noodles. But coming up, you couldn't eat it like this. You couldn't eat it like this. The only thing you had was the packs and the flavor in the inside. But this the bougie noodles right here, baby. Go ahead and bust them packs open. Y'all think y'all gonna like this?
Yep.
You ain't got no choice. You gonna eat it regardless. Cause this is the only thing we had to eat. You gonna eat it. That shrimp done. You ain't gotta mess with it no more. We're gonna wait till the noodles get done. I don't know how y'all eat y'all oodles and noodles, but here at the RANKINS, we bougie it up. You know what I'm saying? We put some meat in there. We go ahead and drop that shrimp. And make sure when you cook your noodles, you don't get them too mushy. You don't get them mushy. Just cook them just right. Go ahead and turn that thing. Come over here and dump some of that water, because you don't want too much water. You just want a little bit, not a lot. You want a little juice. You don't want your noodles dry. That should be good. A little bit more. Cause I'm gonna add a little bit of butter to mine. These are the best noodles in the world right here. Get all that up in there. Get all of it up in there. Get your fork. Get that thing on up in there. This meal right here go a long way to get you nice and full. It ain't the healthiest, but it's gonna do. And my boy's gonna tear it up. Make sure you get it on up in there. Let them juices just simmer up in there. Now this is optional right here. Go ahead and put your little bit of garlic powder up in there. A little bit of onion powder. Next, throw you a little bit of salt up in there. And you mix it around in there again. Just like that. Y'all see that? Ain't that look good? Anybody from the hood came up like this, I already know what I'm talking about. I like to put butter in mine. Mix it on up in there. Now we're gonna put these noodles in a bowl like that. After you do that, then you're gonna add that shrimp. Throw them good old shrimp up in there on top like that. Throw you a few of them on there. Sure, you got your full course meal. Now this right here just to look good purposes. That's all this for, just to look good. Boy, you can sell that in a restaurant. Cooking with the Rankins, this is how it goes down right here. You got your oodles and noodles, you got the shrimp on top. My boy's about to eat good. Y'all, as y'all see, my boy's killing the noodles, killing the oodles and noodles, and I want to see somebody else do this. I want to see somebody else make their best noodles, because we got the best noodles in the world. Shrimp and noodles, best combination. You can't go wrong. So I want to see somebody post a video with their best oodles and noodles and cook it with the Rankin, and hashtag Rankin Up. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment below. Also hit that bell so every time we drop a video, you be the first one notified.